Hi, I'm Jim Anderton, Director of Content here at Engineering.com. Remember when connectivity and big data were the buzzwords of the moment? Well, there's a new kid in town called the Internet of Things, and based on the media hype, you'd think it's the technological equivalent of the second coming. For manufacturing, they call it the Industrial Internet of Things, or sometimes Industry 4.0. But in either case, it's predicted to be disruptive, as they say all new ideas are these days. Now, traditionally, I've been contrarian about things that the mass media predicts will be a big deal, and the Internet of Things on the industrial side is no different. So here it is for the record. The Industrial Internet of Things will not, I repeat, not disrupt industry in America or anywhere else. Why? Well, the root of the answer to that question is based on how the mass media misunderstand modern industry. Now, here at Engineering.com, we receive the press releases daily, and the number of PR agencies that send breathless copy describing the wonders of computer numerical control, for example, is remarkable. Now, the sad fact is the vast majority of media people and a surprising number of engineers have never visited a modern manufacturing facility, and they base their opinions on decades-old images of Detroit or Boeing assembly operations. Now, I recently received a press release that touted how the Internet of Things will allow machine tools to communicate with the front office as cutting tools wear or break, as if this capability hasn't been available for years in modern multi-axis machining centers. The current pre-IoT state-of-the-art in manufacturing includes extensive process monitoring through both analog and digital sensors, usually wired through internal Ethernet systems and reporting to an engineering or maintenance office, normally on site. Even older facilities typically have an alarm system that alerts personnel to line stoppages. Now, the ability of a wireless network-enabled IoT system to tell a millwright that an air compressor just quit by pinging his iPhone is not substantially more productive than a flashing light or an audible underpressure alarm. Put simply, modern manufacturing already uses the critical components of the Internet of Things, except without the Internet. So what's the big deal? The Internet of Things industrially will make a difference going forward if it can achieve two things. The first is lowering the cost of aggregating that machine and process performance data compared to current wired networks. To date, I've not seen any IoT system that addresses this issue directly. Second, report machine performance directly to suppliers and manufacturers who will in turn use it to improve their designs and boost performance of their products. For example, an electric motor manufacturer might aggregate data about mean time between failures for a specific model over hundreds of applications. Then it may be possible to infer which applications are hardest on that motor, where the design could be improved. Of course, it could work the other way by measuring which motors run consistently cooler than spec, allowing a manufacturer to pull cost out of their product, effectively making it less durable. Now, this may not be the current conventional wisdom, and a new report from SogetiLabs, among others, suggests that the IoT is in fact a game changer. Click on the link below and see for yourself. The idea of manufacturing is always to make products that perform better at lower cost. Simulation, data acquisition, computer-aided design, the Internet of Things must always be subordinated to that goal. From where I sit, we are at risk of losing focus on what really matters. Remember, no one cares how you rendered or simulated your product or how efficient your production process is, just that you hit your price performance targets, and that's the way it will always be.